So there's one major trend in our future mobility car companies currently working on: autonomous driving. Today I want to tell you why I think that this technology is not a good idea. As a car guy who loves to drive, I hate the imagination of being transported by robots in the future. But my personal interest doesn't matter. What matters is the fact that there's a huge amount of money invested in the development and research of this technology. No doubt, the ability of building a car which can drive by itself is fantastic, and it shows the expertise of the human beings. But in my opinion, it is not worth to stick so much money in it, because I think there are no real benefits. If I don't want to drive my car, or if I'm not able to drive my car, I should take public transports, taxis, or car sharing. Otherwise, there will be still the same amount of traffic on our streets, with the difference that it's not us driving, it's a robot. I lost what did he say? Yeah, we always want to improve. We always want to improve, especially in terms of environment, being more ecological. But this is not a step forward. In the case of our own responsibility and our independence, it's a step backwards. We drop off our responsibility to robots. For what? Relaxing, reading, working while the car is driving? Another important point is the guilty question in cases of accidents. Is it my fault because I was reading a newspaper instead of watching the traffic? Or is it the fault of the car companies because the robot failed? There will be a lot of controversial discussions with no fair solutions. Fortunately, among all the development and research in this field, there are also a lot of improvements in the safety of cars. Connecting cars with each other could make our future mobility safer and so also better. We should put more money in this field, but please let us drive the cars by ourselves.